Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. A 16 by 20 inch pre-primed matte black Artist Loft canvas, and I am going to do nothing more than spread some paint around and then smear it into place and quite probably use some cell activator. That was Mead and Black. I saw that fall. That does not belong. That was Deco Art. Mother of Pearl. I keep saying Mother of Pearl, I don't mean that. It's iridescent pearl. So I'm just going to play with colors I like first. And I expect to scrape through things. This is silver, iridescent silver. Here's some Snapdragon. Some Rhapsody Rose. Some Cerulean Blue. A little bit of Ginger Flower. Some Amethyst from Modern Masters with Eggplant from Colourarte. Something much more turquoisey. I've got some Indigo Teal Vivid Intense. Don't know what's going to happen with that. Some Yellow Orange. A little bit of, that's the top off my bottle. Pink Carnation. A little bit of Saffron. What am I missing? Maybe an alternative view. Let's just use some cell activator and get it over with. I've got Cobalt Turquoise from Atelier. I might start with this white. It's Amsterdam White. I might start with the black. I might start by shaking all these. I want a whole bunch more gold, I've just decided. If I don't like the colors, I'll figure that out later. But that didn't open. And I want to go from down here. What else do I want down here? I want some of this Modern Masters Mysterious Mystique. And I have no red violet in there, and you know I want some of that. Okay, we're just going to go for it. Do black and white first. Oh, I did it backwards. Okay. Let's do a little bit of tipping and see where things move. And use our initial design to decide what comes next. I'm going to use the other side of the spatula this time. After I remove the rest of that paint, more or less. Now, what to do here? I think I want more white in there. I'm glad I use CAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixes. 10 to 25% because it prevents my colors from crazing when my... Oh, that's not open. I might, if I don't like this, I might take a chance and do some transfers on top of it. I don't know if that'll happen now, probably not. Let's grab some more black after I grab the white. I could still dribble the transfer on top if I wanted to. Kind of interested in seeing what happens if I put a whole bunch of Dancing Fuchsia cell activator in there. Thought I wanted black. I was going to use black to outline things, but I think it's probably smarter to use something else. And I'm not sure I'm done with this area down here at all. I'm thinking Rhapsody Rose. And maybe two colors, maybe black and now, which way do I go? That's kind of fun. I'm having a good time. Might not be doing things the way everybody anticipates, but I'm having a good time. I dipped my bottle into my painting. Okay then, let's see what else I've got. Yeah, I might just leave this short and sweet. This is saffron again. And I like how that looks. And maybe a little tiny bit of orange crush. Now I have recently discovered that I love Artist Loft brand gel gloss medium, so I know for a fact that I can cover this with that and it will be outstanding. And I'm not sure I want to do much more to it, to tell you the truth, because it's got some really good stuff about it. Might use a little white. I still want to use the black. Isn't that weird? Maybe I should use something dark colored instead, like Perfect Indigo. I like that. That's fine. I want something else over here. I'm hearing the call to pink, and I'm thinking I might be a little bit reckless to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. I really love Dancing Fuchsia. It makes me want to use it all kinds of places, but it's dangerous and addictive, I think. Am I almost done? I am almost done. Still hearing the call to some kind of blue. I'm thinking the cerulean blue might be perfect. I know I can leave my dribbles without messing with them. Maybe I'm just going to do... Yeah, that dot's gone. I like that. There. Very abstract. Time to torch. I thought I might take and put a few dots in. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked, or you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more.